Toby Jones a'r gic cornel, ac mae yna peniad grymus gan John Bennett yn neidio rhwng dau amddiffynwr a wedi 12 munud mae Llandudno ar y blaen. Y tafliad hir gan Owen y penyd ymlaen gan Williams. Mae'n disgyn yn garedig i Sam Jones. Bwcle methu a clirio, a Sam Jones yn dyblu mantais Llandudno. Amddiffyn Bwcle ar chwal, a Jones yn manteisio i'r eitha. Chwarae am myneddgar gan Llandudno. Owen a'r bel hir yn chwilio am Mark Williams. Camgymeriad gan yr amddiffynwr o hyfryd gan Williams yn erbyn y trawst. O, smonach llwyr. Nath Mark Williams bopeth yn iawn yn codi'r bel yma dros y golwr. Ond yna, o, camgymeriad erchyll. McCormick efo'r cic gornel. O, arbediad campus gan y golwr. A dwi'n credu mai Mŵr gafodd y cyfle cynta. Ac yna Little, ond gwaith gwych gan y golwr. Sam Jones yn cael cymorth gan Owen. Owen i mewn i'r cwr Cosby. McCarthy at Mark Williams. Wel, doedd o ddim yn mynd i fethu honna. Gweithau ymdrech ar ddiwedd yr hanner cynta. Mae o wedi cael ei gol o'r diwedd. Gwaith da gan Owen a McCarthy. A Williams digonedd o amser. Y bel hir i mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. O, cyffyrddiad gwych gan Julian Williams a digon amser ganddo i basio i Sam Jones i ychwanegu pedwaredd i Llandudno. Wel, mae hi'n hawdd i'r tîm cartra, mae rhaid deud. Oedd y cyffyrddiad yn bendigedig, ond neb yn ei gau o'i lawr a digon amser gan Jones i rwydo. Y bel allan am dafliad. A mae'r dyfarnwr cynorthwyol yn ceisio cael sylw'r dyfarnwr. Mae o eisiau gair, dwi'n credu bod Sam McCormick wedi deud rhywbeth yna wrth y dyfarnwr neu'r dyfarnwr cynorthwyol, ond mae o wedi gweld cerdyn coch. Wel, mae pethau'n mynd o ddrwg i waith i Bwcle. Maen nhw lawr i 10. Taylor Williams ar garlam. Mae Sean Cavanagh i flaen o bel yn hyfryd o cyffyrddiad gwael gan Cavanagh, ond digon amser ganddo fo i rwydo'r bumed. Wel, o'n i'n meddwl bod y cyfle wedi'w golli. Y bas gan Taylor Williams yn hyfryd. Y cyffyrddiad dim y gorau, ond neb yn ei gau o'i lawr, a mae'n hawdd i Llandudno.
We knew today it was going to be the first of 3 tough games this week. We wanted to, get the 7 days off to a flyer, which we did. I thought the game maybe could have been out of sight in the first half, but credit to the lads, they kicked on, and yeah, we were very ruthless in the second half.
I think for the second game, consecutive game, we've conceded 2 terrible goals in the first half, which has given us a 2-goal deficit at half-time. Same last Friday against Holywell, and the same again today. So when you go 2-0 down against the teams that are 2nd and 3rd in this league, it's very difficult to get your way back into the game. And then second half, we've conceded 2 goals close together again, 3rd and 4th goals, and they're all terrible from our perspective, and the players know that. So yeah, we weren't great today. We're struggling a little bit squad-wise. We've got a few boys that are injured, a few that are ill. We had Josh Jones missing today through 5 bookings, so we are a bit stretched. But we've just said to the players there, we've got 4 games to go in the league, and we just want to make sure that we give a good account of ourselves and try and finish as high as we can. Since
October, we haven't, we haven't been able to play games at home, and it is frustrating. We've sort of tried to make here, a bit of a fortress, and the guys here, at Bangor have been fantastic, but it's just not the same at playing games, at Maes D. We're losing out on a couple of maybe, the elder supporters who can't make it down. But yeah, it can be frustrating as the weeks go on. But it's a good win for us today. It's a good day at the office. That leaves Gresford now, and then I think it's only Conway after that. So 2 more games, and hopefully we'll get back playing at Maes D soon.
Yeah, it was absolutely superb. I mean, we had a good first half. Obviously, there was a bit of wind, so it helped us a little bit. And we wanted that third just before half time because we thought they would come out the blocks second half. But we just did the exact same second half. Came out the blocks, got 2 quite quick goals, and then just saw the game out really.